Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Logan if this is your first time here. Today I have a super exciting video. I'm going to be testing out the Ofra and Liora collaboration. I did buy the PR box and I got one of the signed ones, which is super exciting. I love Liora. She is one of my favorite YouTubers. It's like talking to a best friend when you're watching her videos. So I'm really excited for this collection. So if you want to see how I got this look and my thoughts on the collection, then just keep watching. This is Liora's second collaboration with Ofra. Her first collaboration came with a 5-pan eyeshadow palette and 2 lippies. Now you can't get the eyeshadow palette anymore, but you can still get the lip products. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. And then it came with the liquid lip in the shade Brooklyn and then clear gloss in the shade Clear. Now I did buy this collaboration and I posted a Instagram video on it, and Liora actually saw it and she also saw my YouTube. And her and I were talking back and forth, and she said that I should post on YouTube a lot more. So that's kind of what got me started on posting YouTube a little bit more. So this collection right here I'm so happy for her. This is an amazing collection. I love the eyeshadow palette. I'll show you what it looks like in just a little bit, but I'm so proud of her. Congratulations to Liora. I'm definitely going to have this in the back of my videos because I did get the PR box signed, which is really exciting. So let me stop talking and let me show you the inside. So this is what the inside looks like. Came with 2 lip products. This liquid lipstick in the shade Liora, which is this really nice nudie pink color. And I love the shade named Liora because she always talks about how she can never find a lipstick shade with her name. So I'm glad she finally has it now. And then it came with a lip gloss in this shade Scorpio, which she is a Scorpio. This is such a beautiful gloss. It's like a white gloss and it has like an iridescent shimmer to it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on camera. No, it's not going to pick up on camera, but that's okay. It's beautiful in person. This is what the palette looks like. This is the Beyond Words palette. This is an eyeshadow and face palette. Here is the inside. So beautiful. You have these greens, purples, and then you have pinks, and then you have more of a neutral row right here. I love pinks, purples, and greens, so this palette is right up my alley. And then you do have a bronzer, highlighter, and a blush. Such a beautiful palette. Here are what the swatches look like. Up here we have the eyeshadows, and then down here we have the face palette. So first we have the shade Marshmallow, which is this iridescent pink. I'm not sure if you're able to see it on camera. And then we have Cookie, Fuzzy, Hey Girl, Yum, Coffee, like how she says it, Friends, and Cleo. And then we have The City, Heavenly, and Brooklyn. I think I want to do something with the purple and the green. I love this palette. The green swatched really well. I'm very excited to use this. Let me wipe off my swatches and let's get into the eye look. This is the look that I came up with. A little more dramatic than I thought, but I love this look. The mattes in this palette are so pigmented and they're blendable, and you can go on top of them without it getting patchy. The green and the purple really blew me away out of this palette. I know I haven't used every shade, but I'm really impressed with the pigmentation on this palette. So the first shade I'm gonna go in with is this green in the shade Cleo. And I'm just gonna take my brush and I'm just going to put that right in my crease, only in the inner half. Then I'm gonna take the shade Friends, which is this dark matte purple, and I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to pack it in the outer crease, and then I'm just gonna wing it out. Then I'm gonna take the shade Fuzzy and Hey Girl, and I'm gonna put this one in the inner part of my lid. Then I'm gonna take this shade on my finger and I'm gonna put that right in the center. Then I just took the shade Marshmallow and I just put that right in the inner corner. I just added some mascara and here is the finished eye look. I'm just gonna take the bronzer here and bronze up my face a little bit. Wow, that blended out really easily. And I really like the color of this bronzer. I would say if you have a deeper skin tone, it might not work out for you, but you can always use it as an eyeshadow. And I'm gonna take the blush, which is a beautiful blush shade. Oh, I love this color. Then I'm gonna take the highlighter. Oh, I love Ofra highlighters. They are so blinding. I'm gonna try on the gloss and then after I will try on the liquid lipstick. This is a really pretty gloss. You can't really see all the sparkles, but I love this gloss. It's almost like a clear gloss with a little bit of shimmer. It's really beautiful. It'll be perfect if you want to wear it over top of something or all by itself. And then let me swatch the liquid lip. Here is what the liquid lipstick looks like. This might be my new favorite liquid lipstick. I love Ofra's formula and this color is so beautiful. That is it for today's video. As you can see, I love this collection. This eyeshadow palette blew me away and I love the face products as well, and I also love the two liquid lipsticks, so definitely get your hands on this collection if you have not already. Again, huge congratulations to Liora. I love Liora. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. But yeah, that is everything for today's video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you like this video and leave a comment down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye everyone, have a good one.